Okay. So let's just first do enzyme auto diff. All right. So this is a project I've been excited about for probably more than a year now. It's very cool. The idea is to take LLVM intermediate differentiate representation and do auto diff on LLVM IR, which is really cool because then anybody that uses LLVM as a compiler has the tools to basically add auto diff just with a few language features or even bindings. And it's really cool. But what today we're going to do is because I've tried to get, and I did get C++ working, which is what it's written in because LLVM is written in C++. But we're going to be doing it in Rust, as the title says. That's mainly just because there's a couple of exciting things. First, um, I don't remember all of the issues, but basically enzyme support is going into mainline Rust. It's also going to be going into mainline LLVM too. You can see this not in this issue. I forget where I read it, but it is going to be put into actual core LLVM which is really exciting. In any case, this is the docs. They're kind of hard to find, but I found them. The thing is, yeah, they're kind of nowhere to be found, which is a little bit. Where did I find them? Not in here. Okay, this is where it is. The documentation is here. So it's in this issue, which is whatever. Okay, so let's just get started with trying to build it. So, anyways, for anybody watching that doesn't really get the hype or see why maybe doing AD at the compiler level is exciting, is yeah. I mean, I feel like what we're realizing now is we're going through a process of basically realizing how valuable writing code that's differentiable is and cleaning a lot of stuff up. What is this? I never said to do that. Okay. Okay, this is like random as hell. All right, we could read this. Autodiff emerged as a mathematical framework and software tool in the 80s. Yeah, operator overloading. The second approach, source transformation, was first applied to Fortran and later C, but never differentiated the full language. Yeah. Basically, this is, yeah, part of the motivation of just like Look, Enzyme takes advantage of the fact that while differentiating all features of the source language is a monumental task, differentiating a single statement assignment form, such as LLVM is way more tractable. It's actually cool because, yeah. And I don't know if I brought this up yesterday. Maybe I did. But there was, no, there was a project that I found, or, what the hell? Oh, yeah. This is it. So it's actually formalizing the theory of static single assignment in compilers, which is pretty cool. Is everything going okay? All right, I think we're good. Turn it up a little bit. All right, so let's get to doing stuff. Okay, cool. All right. So this is the build instruction. We're gonna see what happens. There's no supported tier 1 target. Windows is certainly a tier 1 target. So we're gonna just go to, and we're just gonna run this thing. But I want to run it one at a time, just because. This is gonna take a while. What? What? Bro, what if we just clone it with... There's no way that we need to, git clone depth one. Wow. That was a fast clone. Not bad. If you've ever tried to clone the LLVM directory, even at depth 1, you're just like, I think I'll just go die, bro. I think I'll just go die, bro. Okay. All right. So I've actually done this before, like, yeah, maybe a year ago, and I was on Mac at the time. So we're gonna see how this goes. Yeah. Okay. So we ran configure. Now we just need to do this. Afterwards, Rust C toolchain link will allow you to use it through cargo. That's so awesome. Wait, what? Um, Presumably this is working. I mean, these are errors. I could probably use x.ps1. We're gonna see what this results in. Let's close this. Wait. Presumably this is gonna take a long time. Okay, wait, can we... Yeah, we wanna go to this. What? It doesn't have an actual... It's not hosted anywhere? Or maybe it is. Where am I looking? I'm looking in that... I'm looking in this. The tests are in Rust book. Okay. So that's what we're doing. Just... It's not clear that this is doing anything. I feel like I might have to use the PowerShell thing. Okay. Requires a working rest of installation, install mdbook, build and serve. All right, let's just do that. How hard is that? It's weird that it's not hosted anywhere, but like, do we really care? I thought I made a whatever. Dude, the people that do this with the dollar sign are ridiculous. Why? Well, I don't understand why anyone would ever do that. All right, let's just look at that. Wait, but we can read through this too. Yeah, see, that's cool. So what we'll do is we're just gonna add our code because the goal is to do mnist, obviously. The classic. I don't think that this is right. I think that this is oh, okay. Cool. Yeah. Wow, my computer is super laggy right now. Presumably this is just because of this and not because of this. This was a year ago. Everyone's excited and no one wants to actually do the compiler work because who wants, yeah, I don't know. Should I kill this? Is it actually doing anything? I have literally no idea. Okay, now we can do this thing. Okay, wait. Oh my god. What? Huh. So this doesn't even have any of the examples in it. That's a total waste. I don't even know why I did that. We should just go to. Let's just. Okay. The thing that I didn't understand when I try to train a neural network, try to do MNIST on this is God, I just hate this. It's like it just it's so much more confusing than just PyTorch that handles it all for you. But presumably, someone is going to make a library that has all this stuff in it, and then you can just use it. It would be cool if we could get this working in the Rust REPL. Okay, I don't think this is going anywhere. Can we try? Okay, so what we did is yeah, Windows things. I'm happy to do either, actually. If this doesn't work, we just switch to WSL, because that that I could see that working. Um, okay, so I never understood this. Okay, should we just read some of the documentation here? So, usage. Okay. Enzyme differentiates arbitrary multivariate vector functions as the most general case in automatic differentiation. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay. The reference to a mutable float. Okay. Okay. That return a float. Yeah, you would hope. This is just normal dual. Yeah, let's do reverse mode, because this is what everyone actually uses for neural networks. Let's see how this build is going. Oh, come on, man. Okay, let's just do this. Which one is it? Okay. I feel like we might be able to get that to work. So let's just go back to here. We can just copy this whole thing. Okay. Wait, I don't think that. Why the hell do they? Why are they torturing me with nonsense? Who the hell uses the SSH one and not the freaking HTTPS? So stupid. Okay. This thing honestly might take like a bit. What? Oh, it did it? Okay. Cool. Yeah, unfortunately, this isn't the most exciting stream because it's all just software nonsense, just setting stuff up. It's kind of like the worst form of doing anything because you're not actually doing anything. You just are it's like people. It's like config warriors. I hate the config warriors. I don't. I don't know. Has anyone made a neural network in Enzyme? They keep talking about neural networks, but it's like, where do these guys hang out? Is there just like an Enzyme? Let's see. Is there a community discussion list? That's crazy, bro. Right? Isn't that kind of crazy? Should we just join this group? Should I just say this? Okay, let's just send this. I don't care about asking dumb questions, bro. Because now, if I search neural network, okay, I guess the search is just broken. Google search is broken. That makes sense. Okay, there we go. What happens if you Google this name? Yeah, yeah, that's fun. Okay, wait. Okay, cool. So we're building LLVM right now. That's great because you know why that's great? Because LLVM takes hours to build and it takes like 20 gigs. Like 20 gigs. God, I hate LLVM to be honest. It's just like oh god, it's the size of a triple A games are like hundreds of gigs now, but it's just brutal, man. Maybe it's time to make breakfast and just wait on the build. Um in the meantime, we could try to prove in the meantime we could try to just do some math. We could just wait. So I think I can do this now. So the thing we are going to prove is this the right thing? You know what though? I feel like, let's see, am I dropping frames? No, but it does say encoding overloaded. It's probably just because I I'm compiling LLVM, so I'm probably not going to be having the best stream quality at the moment. Oh, buddy. Okay, it'll be worth it. It'll be worth it. I'll be the first one to train MNIST with enzyme. I did it before with Julia actually, but I don't think I did it right. I don't think I put that code anywhere. I think I don't have it. Okay. Oh crap! It just takes so long. Okay. So the theorem that we're proving now is midpoint collinear. So we have A, B of type P, and we are trying to prove collinear K, A, B, a midpoint AB, Let's see, is this thing running? Or do we need to? Oh, this is why. Oh, dude, I always forget. This syntax is so confusing to me. Do I need to provide K? Of type R? It needs a ring. And it needs a ring. And oh, and it needs, okay. Yeah, so it can't synthesize it because we don't have strong enough condition on the space P, right? K is a division ring, so I thought we would be able to provide K. Okay. Invertible 2. But a division ring, presumably, does a division ring is a ring with multiplicative inverses for non-zero elements. So I don't understand why the heck it's saying 2 is not invertible. How did they specify that, actually? Oh, 2 is of type R. So wait, could I just copy this? Wait, but where is R used? So we're going to do that for K. Okay, so here's what we're going to say. 2 of type K. And we're going to just put this here. Failed to synthesize mol R. Oh, there we go. There we go. Awesome. Yeah, that's actually a nice thing. So at least it tries to minimize the amount of like weird scope and state in a given thing, because yeah, because 2 points being collinear doesn't require that 2 is invertible. In any case, let's start the proof. So now we have, I think it's just lagging. Wait, why can't I get my proof state? Unexpected input? There we go. Okay, so we are going to rewrite. So midpoint is an equality statement, right? So we can, midpoint is just a definition. So we should be able to just rewrite midpoint. But the question is whether or not we can wait, can we rewrite that or O angle uh 0, if so this doesn't work, why? fin rank, do I need to provide it something? Over R, though. If and only if collinear. So what we're saying, I feel like I've stated this problem correctly. I just don't, so what I want to do actually is, how do I compute the O angle? What if I just want to calculate or eval the O angle? Is there a way to do that? Let's see. What in a module over a ring R with invertible 2. So what we want to look for, it's not in here, I don't think. It's in the angle stuff. So can we just look up O angle? Wait, oh, it's in here. Let's see, how's this compilation doing? Okay, well, it hasn't failed yet. That's a good sign. Okay, here we go. So it's this thing, and it has this local syntax. We're not going to do the local syntax. Scope notation, that's what it's called. Okay, Euclidean geometry.o angle. So can we do this? Eval of, and then what does this thing take? Can we just go to this and see how it's defined? And I don't really understand the difference between an oriented angle and an, so it's of type angle. The type of angle. That's interesting. So it just takes 3 points. So we should be able to just say AB midpoint over KAB. Failed to synthesize that P is a metric space? It's an affine space. Oh, you know what? Can we just say that it is a metric space? Variable metric space P. So what's wrong now? Oh, yeah. Okay, wait, hold on. Normed add tours. Okay, can we go back to the docs on this is going to be mathlib for I think it's this, and then it's standard data. No, I don't know what the hell it is. Oh, it's mathlib, geometry, Euclidean, basic. And then in here, we get, you need normed added torsor, VP, metric space. You also need all of this stuff. So maybe I'll just add all of this. It's kind of weird, though, because I don't really know what I need to add, but let's just add this. Okay, now what's wrong? Failed to synthesize fin rank. What is finrank? Can I hover over this thing? Can I jump to it? You can't jump to it. That's a little annoying. lean4 finrank. The rank of a module. Um, um, okay, so can we just see an example of where this is used? So let's go to midpoint. Wait, no. Is it out? It's, I think it's this. No, where's the one where it's using O angle a bunch? Scoped. No. It's in here. Oh, yeah, okay. So what's... Okay, so... Oh. All right. So we need to just add... So we just need to add these things. That's the thing, though. I feel like it could be really easy to just add a ton of extra stuff that's not... This probably needs an import or something. Failed to synthesize module RV. Do I need to add that? I think it's just not... Oh, but you know what? Failed to synthesize module R. Don't we have to do... Can't we just make this K? No. Okay, so then in any case, we'll just say that we also have a module. I don't actually know what a module is, but let's just make this R. Presumably this will solve everything. No. Should we just disable some of this stuff? Oh, no, there we go. We're good. So now what's wrong? What? Bro, I just keep adding variables and... Okay, so let's just post the question. Wait, maybe I can wait. Hold on. Let's see. Where does it use this HD2 thing? Because I feel like it's implicit, right? Like they don't actually use HD2 anywhere. If I just do we have any of this already? Okay. So what happens if I just comment everything out and just copy this? So just comment out all our variables and see if we do this. Presumably this collinear thing will fail, but this should succeed. Let's see, how far are we along on this crazy build? All right, we're almost a quarter there. Not bad. So, okay, wait, here we go. Failed to synthesize that K is a ring. So wait, but we don't even have K. But, wait, can we just get rid of K? Expected A to be a type, right? Of, has type P, but expected type U. This is like some inductive universe thing. I don't get what's going on there, but like, let's just try to see if in here midpoint is used at all. I don't think it is. Oh. See, what is SBTW? WBTW, SBTW? What is that? Strictly between. Okay. So they're not calling actual midpoint? Oh, this is a nice theorem. Yeah, so what it's saying is that like if you have 3 points, the angle, if you have a midpoint between the first two, then the angle between that and the next two is the same as if you were to take just the original all three. So that's a nice. Oh yes, an oriented angle is unchanged by replacing the first point with the midpoint of the segment between it and the second point. That's a very clean way of saying that. So can we just provide it R? What is the other thing? Is it show? No, what the hell is it? I have a bunch of them in other. Check. Is R not a division ring? Wait, can't we just do this? It's not as general as it whatever, but so what this is, see, for some reason I kept getting confused as the you're providing the you're providing, like, I don't want to say field because it's not a field, but you're providing the space that the points live in, but that's not actually right. What you're doing is you're providing the metric, or like the field where the distances between points live. That's at least how I'm interpreting it. I think that is actually okay. So this is of type real.angle. Okay, cool. So wait, I think we're good. So we just need to replace this with R and this with R. Because R satisfies division ring already. I wish I knew how to check that, but surely that's true. So wait, so gosh, I need to go back into the documentation and read how you do this. But basically what we want to do, the way to prove this is I don't actually know, because you can't just compute. I mean, somehow you need to compute that the O angle is actually pi. Well, in this case, sorry, 0. But I don't know how to do that. Um, Wait, so at this point, what do we have as the proof state? This is so, dude, math is crazy. Um, Wait, can we see? Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to see if I rewrite this with the left arrow, does it go the other way? Oh, nice. Yes, so we're rewriting the definition of collinear. Mm-hmm. So now we just have to prove that the angle between AB and the midpoint is either 0 or pi. The interesting thing is there's like a million ways I feel like you could do it, but I don't know what the best way is. This takes like I don't know how to code something to like the extreme where it's like, what is the simplest proof of the thing? Very interesting. If I look at my disk space right now, I bet it's in the toilet. Yeah, man. Oh my god. Okay. Can we rewrite line map? Can we go to this? Oh my gosh. Linear map. There probably is like an expand tactic. I mean, hmm. Okay. Let me just ask GPT. This thing is so much smarter than I am. Okay. Is unfold a thing? I wonder if simp works. Is unfold a thing? Okay, cool. Yeah, what? Yeah, did we look at the definition of O angle? I actually don't remember. O to O angle of. Okay, so wait, what is this saying? Saying the O angle. Okay, wait, can we go to the definition? Can we go to the definition, please? Wait, what's going on here? Whoa. I've never heard of this collar map thing. Or ARG. I don't really get how ARG works. Wait, so you can get a negative out of that, though? Oh my gosh, just try reading this thing. A complex valued real bilinear. Hello? Real bilinear map on an oriented real inner product space of dimension 2. Its real part is the inner product of its real part is the inner product and its imaginary part is area form. On C with the standard on the complex numbers with the standard orientation. Oh my god. You can tell I didn't take complex analysis. Almost halfway there. Okay, so wait, what's our goal state? Maybe you could say, yeah, okay, so maybe we could first establish the sub hypothesis or the sub. Maybe we could establish the sub fact. I don't know what they call them. I forgot all this stuff. They always prefix them with H's though. But is that um what is it, like have H be can we show an example of halves? Come on, just show me the docs. Oh, like, okay, there we go. Adds hypothesis. Okay, so I think what we want to do is we want to have H of type collinear over R of the set of A, B, a type set R, right? No, set P. Defined by collinear pair of R, A, B. I'm pretty sure that that's all we need to do. What? Holy crap, it's so slow. LLVM build times are so long. It's such a pain in the butt. Type expected got what? Do I just have to put? Do I just have to do this maybe? There we go. I think we just need to do this, right? It's so laggy, bro. It's crazy. It's so laggy. I think that this is fine. If we go to here, we have H. I think we're good. Can I make an intermediate variable for the midpoint? All right, let's just say what's wrong here? The syntax is really hard to get used to, man. Holy cow. Does anyone ever enjoy compiling LLVM? I don't think anyone does. Okay, so wait. So what is the deal here, man? We're just waiting on this thing, right? Oh, we're good. So if we go to here, we have. I'm pretty sure we have what we need. I guess not. Oh, I guess we do. This thing is being crazy. I don't think this is what I want it to be. I don't think that you can actually use. I don't think this actually gets me anywhere. Holy cow, I don't understand. This thing is so slow. I still don't think it's fully done. All right, let's just go make breakfast. This sucks. Too slow. Oh, wait. All right. Oh, here we go. It loaded. So, okay. Does this mean what I think it might mean? If you have the fact that A and B are collinear, you have that A and the midpoint are collinear, and you have the fact that the B and the are collinear, can you use this? Let's ask ChatGPT. It might not even know. Does the goal follow from the H's? I don't know. I could see either way. But how do you know M is on the line between A and B? Set mem insert. Oh, there's this? Okay. Yeah, but what I'm saying is from that there exists a T between 0 and 1 inclusive, and that the midpoint of AB is equal to mm, um right, like if you just had 3 points and you said A and B are collinear, A and C are collinear, and B and C are collinear. Uh, okay, so yeah, instead. Oh my, what? Dude, why does this thing take so long to start up? Oh my god. If you're absolutely dude, these AIs glazing me is really bothering me. Last night it was so ridiculous. Yeah, so effectively, yeah, so wait, let's unfold midpoint. Does this do this in just the, yeah, okay. So what we're trying to say is that, so line map, yeah. So line map is a map, it's a function, I guess, uh, where 0 goes to A and 1 goes to B. And we're trying to show that that and applying line map AB to 1/2 is a point. So if we were to take this, oh my god, stop, get away. If we were to take this and we were just gonna do a check of, oh my god, you've got to be joking. Okay, what was it? It was you've got to be kidding me, bro. Whatever. It was line map affine map dot line map of A, B, and this returns a map, and then we give that the freq. Oh, what? How did they get that? Dude, this thing is too slow. This thing's too slow. Oh, okay. I thought of another fun thing to do. So, yeah, you can see I'm lagging. The other fun thing to do is yesterday we transcribed 150 megabytes of transcripts, which in actuality it's way less than that. So there's two things I need to do with that. So actually, okay, wait. This thing's too slow. Anyways, the next thing I want to do is apparently there's another way to write the transcripts as JSON. That might be easier because I really don't love the VTT format, even though the timestamps are amazing. So we're gonna look at that. But the other thing I want to do is I want to do a like token distribution thing. So if we just like tokenize all of these transcripts and then we just look comparatively and at the sum of like what are the tokens that I'm saying the most, you know? And I feel like this could be a good TikTok. Just like I've streamed about 850 hours of content. I don't really love the word content, but it's fine. You know, I've streamed 850 hours, and we could look at word distribution. We could also look at token distribution. I feel like token distribution is. I feel like we could do both. The thing is, whatever. All right, so let's make some food. Then we're gonna do that, and then and later today we got something exciting going on. I'm gonna be building the frame for the painting, and that's gonna be a fun IRL type stream. No computers really. I got a bunch of wood. I got a bunch of metal brackets, and soon those two large paintings will be standing upright and ready to be fired at with a gun. Not a real gun, but a paintball gun. Yeah, I've been getting so many spam calls. It's kind of suspicious. Did this load finally? That is brutally slow. I feel like it's just this. Let's look at my disk. No, I don't want to look at my disk space. But yeah, it's certainly going down. You know what though? I will say, here's what I'll say. at least LLVM builds. OpenCV just doesn't even do it what it says it does. And yet they got this freaking spokesman guy. AI pays so well. Learn it. Learn it. OpenCV University. And it's just like I just want to strangle that guy. I mean, like, what is whatever. I'm not gonna get hung up on it because it's like cringe, but it's just such a joke. They hire these guys to run. He says he's the CEO of OpenCV. Why is OpenCV a company? If you Google OpenCV CEO, you get this absolute clown. You absolutely need to just burn OpenCV to the ground. I don't know who let these guys have the keys to the castle to try to turn OpenCV into a business. Because what is OpenCV.ai? All right, the organization. Can we just do some deep dives? Let's just answer this for all. OpenCV. Okay. Is OpenCV a nonprofit or a company? Because it seems like they sell courses. Dude, look at that, man. That is such a joke. Who let these guys have the keys to the castle? OpenCV is just such shit, dude. I hate OpenCV so much. These are all. It's a little unfortunate, to be honest. Dude, I hate these websites that leak your email. Oh, we want to help you sign in. Yeah, by showing my email to everyone. Software's such a joke, man. I just want to stream and do my thing, bro. Without a bunch of clowns. A bunch of clowns. A bunch of fraudulent clowns. I hope they tear at night. I hope they tear with how, oh, the struggle of getting people to buy my bullshit. OpenCV CEO. This guy shows up on my Instagram feed at least twice a day. He is such a clown and a jokester. Can we just find these videos, dude? I should have saved them. I commented on it, and I think they deleted the comment because it was too mean. Okay, the thing is, you can't even. It's funny because Instagram ads aren't even posts; they're just ads, so you can't even search them up. I think. All right, let's look at this absolute. Look at this. Reddit is just a. Now this is funny. Wait. Oh no, never mind. That would have been funny if there was one question and they didn't even respond. Reddit is just such a bad website. I don't know why people use it. It's written in Python. They never deallocate videos so that it ends up using like 1,000% of your battery. Terrible. Terrible. Everyone's just such a clown. Wait, what? Wait. That is insane. It's just like, bro. It's such a good example of like just the absolute worst of open source when they take a brand that at the beginning was probably just, a good community and then absolutely shove it down the toilet. See, I don't mind this guy, but let's look at all the responses from this guy. That's exactly my question too. Can you guys start over? Yes, this is true. Oh, I'm so glad that, dude, can we look into this? I just want to do a teardown while we're waiting for my computer to stop being on fire. Thank you for clearing what I meant by Shimo. That was much more constructive. All right, let's read this whole thing. OpenCV is a freaking hot mess that is far from production quality. Its core design is full of grave architectural mistakes and is in dire need of a full-on rewrite from scratch. Don't trust the existing engineering team given what they have not delivered in the past. They just hold up progress. They haven't even moved to C++17 and oh jeez, bro. Let's see, that was 4 years ago. Is a bit of a joke in that context. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Dude, Boost is also a shit show. I remember I posted some vitriol on their GitHub. Dude, I love that this guy hates OpenCV as much as I do. Oh my god. Dude, I love that he just keeps linking shit. I don't even know what this means. The inheritance. Wait, I don't understand this diagram. In any case, well, and the thing is, look, and the reason why it does this thing of being half an image processing library and half a linear algebra library is because the C++ ecosystem just has no package management whatsoever. VC package is terrible. They're all terrible. So basically, if you want to be an image processing library, obviously you need to just have a linear algebra library. It's just so ridiculous. Oh God, if you've ever tried to build OpenCV, you'll become what do they call radicalized? You'll be radicalized. We're okay. I'm gonna make food, and hopefully we'll be somewhat closer to doing this. We'll do the tokenization thing. That just sounds like a fun. That sounds like a whoa. That sounds like a fun little quick thing. So, oh yeah, okay. So we'll write the code to all right, let me make some food and then I can just do the tokenization thing. We're not even gonna do the uh I'll have to change the video title to building just waiting for LLVM to build. The next stream I'll do something real. Okay. Okay, I'm back. What did I miss? I didn't miss anything because we're just waiting for LLVM to build. How long have I been streaming this thing? 2 hours, bro. It's been compiling for like an hour and a half. Once you've done it a few times, you just know to just be depressed anytime anyone says compile LLVM. I honestly would hate to be like a software engineer who just has to constantly compile a bunch of stuff like that. That's why I love simple and small projects because it's like you can actually iterate. Like there's nothing worse than just waiting for compilation, man. It's like I just want to do something. I don't care about your stuff. I care about myself. Backprop, reverse constant, duplicated active. These names make no sense to me, but it's fine. So maybe the first thing we do is we train a scalar neural network or something like that. Just because I don't know. I guess what you do is you make a really well. Let's see. I'm trying to think because you need a real long vector for all of the weights. That shouldn't be too bad. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, bro. I waited an hour for this. Come on, man. damn it, dude. I was really excited for that to work. Software is just the worst. Okay, we go to GitHub. What? Fuck. Apologize, but we have to. I have to sign into GitHub. Okay. So here we go. So now we're just to make the issue because. No. Oh no! I hear the crows. Okay, we're good. Let's just do this really quickly. I cloned this repo. Except I am using the Ubuntu 22 WSL distro. Here is the stack trace. What did I run? Steps. Clone this repo. Configure I think it was this, right? Clone, run configure, run the configure as told to, then run build or x.py. I don't know why it's called X. Kind of weird, right? Okay, I'm just gonna create this thing. But I don't know why. Why did it actually fail? That's pretty hype that he's able to get it working. What is fat LTO? It's so lame, bro. Damn, he's a maintainer of LLVM, bro. This guy is so sick. Where is this thing at? Uh, okay, okay, okay. We'll wait on that. Let me go to my repos. I swear to God, I did this code. Where was my thing where I like oh yeah, these subtitles. But no, but I guess I never published it. Whatever. We'll just rewrite it. So, first off, we need to do we need to do this. Okay. Ugh. Okay. That's the problem with these streams that just have a bunch of different things in them. Because then the title is kind of no good. Because we're not even doing enzyme anymore because it doesn't work. Hopefully someone gets back to me relatively soon, but you never know. Okay, so what are we doing now? We're doing, we need to clone this. I don't know why I'm putting it in here because it's not Rust, but maybe eventually it will be. Okay, so the first thing I want to do though, wait, is this in WSL? Okay, that's fine. That's actually what we want. That's great. That's actually what we wanted. So we need to do this, but we need to go to my chat GPT and we need to, is it this or is this out of date? Yes, it's this thing, subformat JSON. Right, auto sub length and skip download, subformat JSON. Okay, so we're gonna try this. So what is this? This is just a channel ID. And then we're gonna get a test video and it's gonna be long. So let's get the, I spent 8, okay, whatever. Should we get yesterday's? Let's see if it works. Copy link, test vid. Okay. So let's do this, oops. Oh, wait, what is YouTube DLP? Is that a joke? Maybe it's just because it's too new. Let's do something old. Oh my fucking god. What? No, it still writes, Can we go to the YouTube DLP docs? Dude, YouTube DLP is awesome. Right, subs. Ass. Let's get some ass, man. I think. Okay, wait, can we just do this? Yeah, let's get in Glossa. Oh, JSON 3. Wait, so that's what we need to do. So wait, so write auto sub format. Okay, so write auto subs sub format JSON3. Oh, wait. You definitely need to skip download. Oh, I like this so much more. Is it actually, what is JSON 3? Huh, the Julia thing comes up. Is that a targeted thing? Like, that's so random. What happens if I do, okay, let's move this to temp. Okay, let's try that again with right sub for and skip download. Just make it JSON. Yeah, so so if it doesn't find it, so yeah. That's okay. So it is supposed to be JSON 3. So let's do this, or wait, let's do this. Okay, and it's gonna be bigger. I mean, it's like so much. But presumably, I like this more. Let's see if we can parse it. Yeah, I'm not updating to 11. Totally a joke. See what happened. You gotta be kidding me, bro. Oh, it's because of a manifest thing? All right, that's okay. I don't even need plots right now. There we go. That's the problem. It's okay. It's all good, brother man. Okay, so we could just start writing this code. All right, so now that this is here, we can delete this. And we can, so we want to look at this, and all we want to do to extract the full thing. Let's do fold all. Expand this out. Okay, so we want to go to events. And for every event, we just want to get all the segments and T offset. So we get a start and then an offset. Basically, we want, so we want a global non-relative timestamp for each seg. Duration. We don't really need the duration. We just need the start so we can calculate the offset. What is this? Is there any description of what the JSON 3 YouTube subtitle JSON 3? JSON 3 seems a little bit better. Also, this is a dead repo. But is there documentation? Yeah, here we go. Dude, even the Stack Overflow. Do not do this. Do not do this. I don't like this. I will sign in if I want to sign in. Okay. It's okay. We can just... Okay, so good, bad, not defined. Uh-oh. Let's just do this really quickly. Add folder to workspace by... Dude, what? Hey, this isn't right. Oh, I gotta get this all sorted. Not like I'm trying to be a... I don't want the whole thing. I just want good, bad. I mean, we're just trying to get this done. Okay, we should be good now. Okay. Fantastic. Okay, so now what we want to do... Well, we need to get all of these. So, we need to do this, but with this. First off, this is going to be JSON 3. And then we don't need the right info JSON anymore. So we are going to just copy and paste this. Let's see if this works. Dash A, what is dash A? Can we just search for dash A, comma? Okay, here we go. Batch file. All right, nice. So that's what we wanted. So just move these to the temp. So all we need to redo, I think, is where am I? I'm here. I need to do this with this. All right, let's just get it started. Skip down the right auto subs. No, none of that because we already have all of that. So we can just do this. And I'm pretty sure we can kick this bad boy off. Let's see, where's it going to write it? Is it writing it in here? Oh no, here it is. Okay, sick. Okay, so now we can take an example. So let's just go back to the Julia code. Uh, yeah. Okay, nice. That's perfect. So now we just need to wait, what? Okay, the first one is special. Okay, so let's say think this is special with no events. Oh wait, is it? Wait, E? No. Wait, is it event? No, no segs. No sex. There we go. There's my zegs. There's my zegs. Okay, so cool. I don't know what's up with that JSON 3 thing. Really weird. Okay, so yep, so we have this, and then we have okay. If it doesn't have an offset, we assume the offset is 0. Okay, so um okay. So if has key okay, so that's good. So we can assume that they all have them. I don't know what's up with this. We can maybe check to see if wait. Oh yeah. This is way better format because now I can get every token and exactly when. First off, we can concatenate it and just get a big long string of it. And I don't think that there's any duplicates, which is fantastic. Yeah, I don't really like this VTT format. Okay, so this is easy. So now we want the offset and we want the this is guaranteed to have it. Okay, so wait, but what we want is it's going to return, okay. It's going to take a single segment. Okay. Parse seg. Okay. Okay, now all we need to return is easy. And now uh uh parse segments. And then but what we want is, oh wait, we want the wait, it's e.segs, right? No. What is that called? An event? I don't know what win ID is, but that's okay. Well, we're about to find out if do they all have them? Except for right. So wait, let's just say let's just call this E1. So oops. So E1 has no, okay, so presumably we could just return an empty array, right? Pretty sure we can just do this, right? Okay, so now we have the parse segments. And what we want to do is we want to I'm pretty sure that's all we have to do, right? Hold on, we need to do this too. Let's just put it here. Parse event E. That's sick. Can we just flatten? How do you flatten this? Is it reduce VCAP? That's so great. How easy was that? And now what we want to do is we just want to take string or join. Wait, no. Well, first just do last.data. And then join. Sick. What is this one? 8 hours.txt. Wait, let's do P 8 hours. This is way better. Let's read some of this. We mate between mate connectors. No, mate connector we can read manually. This looks like I'm watching a video. Now this looks like me talking. I mean, even if it's not me talking all the time, I still feel like it would be interesting to just take it for what it is and tokenize this. So that's great. So now we just need to do that for all of them. So first off, we don't need this. Are we done? Um, okay, so wait. First off, we want to I wonder if they're gonna let me have so much data. Okay, now how many files are in a folder? How do you check that? Wait, can I just ls to count? Nice. Whoa. But that's way fewer, right? Isn't that way fewer? Maybe they only just started generating the JSON 3 ones. Okay, let's do this same thing, except this is going to be star.vtt. Oh, no. Okay, I guess. Okay, so what we need to do, list which videos are missing VTT JSON3 transcripts. We need to figure that out because I have way more videos than that. I'm guessing it's the really old ones, to be quite honest. But in any case, we need to add what is it called? It's not PyCall, it's Python call. I like this thing. It's not like great, but I've had some really bad issues with it, but it's pretty cool. And then we're gonna use TikTokin, which is written in Rust, but it's like way easier to just use the Python thing. Like this is how they recommend it. Oh wait, or oh here, yeah. This is what we need. Yeah, I forgot this thing. I forgot about how annoying that is. Like, is it or is it not correct? I have no idea. Anyways, oh wait, does my startup even have count uh, uh, tally? Yeah, dude. Okay, tally is like the best function ever. Tally and good bad, bro. Okay, so are we good or what? And then we want crayons. I want to rebuild that because I remember before I got it, so you could interactively study the. Oh wait, we're good. All right, so let's just restart everything, and then we're gonna. We. Okay, let's just get this to the top. We don't need any of this anymore now that it works. We can have an example. Oh yeah. Wait, what just happened? What? It's okay. Oh yeah. Oh wait. Get timestamped words. Dude, actually, you know what would be super cool is if we could tie this into wait, let's add a. There's always a to-do list. Um make a add global timestamps to my words. So then I can just make a yeah, bro, that's so cool. By adding the upload. Nah, but it's gonna be offset. Whatever. It would be cool though, because the lives. Maybe we could find the by for live vids by offsetting the transcripts by the live start time. Would give me a way to easily find what words I said on a given day. Yeah, man, that would be so fucking cool. That's for real Stephen Wolfram stuff. You know he's doing stuff like this, man. You know it. All right. So then get text transcript of uh uh because you would join last. Uh, okay. All right. So we're good. Now we want to do this conda add TikTokin thing. Let's go to the docs here. Okay, so now what do I do? Uh, nice. That was shockingly easy, man. Okay, so we want. Oh. Okay. So now if I do, let's say I do have J. I have J. Sick. Nice. And then how do I get it? How do I get it to lists? Is there a list? Python to Julia. Can I just call um sick? Oh no, that's a vector of pi. Uh Py convert. Convert the Python object to a T. You just say vector of int. Is it integer? X. What's D? Okay. Sick. Hell yeah. And now we can just do count map of V. What? Or not count map, tally. Bro, what the fuck? I forget how much time it adds, but it's certainly worth it. Okay. Using stuff. Oh wait, did it already do it? Probably already did it. Sick. Okay, so now what we want to do is we actually want to we want to take all of those. So we want to map. Uh. Oh wait, no. Okay, cool. Um. Let's just do. So this is going to be and what we want to do is we want to. Okay, so in this stream, which was this? This was the 8 hours in whatever. 8 hours in. I said. Well, I and the videos that I watched, but what occurred in the stream was 2,700 unique tokens, and what we're gonna look at is and what we did is we joined them all together and then redid it. So it's in any case, that's just the methodology. So what we want to do here is map print line first 30 and then semicolon. To the so this I we in that wait. I said wait 300 times, bro. That's crazy. What? Let's get 100. Let's just look at 100 of them. Distance, gear. All right, see now there's some actual words here. This is fun, man. So we can delete this. So what do we want? We want this. So we want a function that takes a transcript, the text. Okay, so we want to. Okay, so functino. Oh wait. Yeah, so you don't want to do this every time. That'd be crazy. So what you actually want to do is move this up here. So we'll just make a bigger function. We'll just say this is function token tally. And we could just merge with, we can make it a dict and merge with plus, I think. So yeah, we'll do that. So this takes an encoder and a text thing. Oh wait, we need to put this way up here. Tally v. All right. So this is all we need. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately, this has nothing to do with Okay, so the next step is to now do this again, and ends with JSON3, and it's going to be filtered data JSON transcripts. And we'll just call this fns2, I guess. So then get text transcript. So okay, so now we need js2 is equal to json3 dot is an at dot json3 dot read fns2. Maybe it's just a weird thing with JSON3 that it wants to just write so much crap out. We clearly do not want this. Okay, and then text is equal to J's. Presumably we want to actually keep around this. What? Wait, what? Oh. Okay, then we want to oh. No method matching token tally string. Oh wait. Yeah, but then it makes it more pure. No method matching last pi. Oh. Sick. Okay, so now we want to do how do you do it? Merge with plus. Wait, can we see the examples on a dict? Merge with plus, yeah. Oh, they have a 1arg version. It's kind of weird. What functions have a 1arg version, which ones don't? But can it take a d others, and the others is a? It's kind of okay. Let's just say Okay, then we want to I've said caret twice. Well, now I've said it 3 times. So now we want to collect, right? Big P. And then sort L. All right. Wow, I've said new line 222,000 times, bro. That's a lot of times. Look at all these tails. Okay, wait, let's plot last dot big P. All right. Let's see how quickly it drops off. Dude, look at that power law. Pretty much all of these are one token. I've only said them once. I mean, typically they're going to be just errors in the transcription, but still pretty interesting. It'd be cool to fit that to something just to characterize its insight or whatever. Let's see. Did anyone ever get back to me? It's so frustrating, man. It's so frustrating to compile something for an hour and a half and then just have it not work. It's like, I mean, it's foolish to expect that things should just work, but issues. Oh yeah. Okay, wait. What else do we want to do with this? We want to. Where was that map? Did I delete that? Oh, I shouldn't have deleted that. We want to do map print line first, big P 100, and then a semicolon. Okay, so these are the most. Oh wait, can we do this too? I'm gonna run this again. Okay, now they're just normal strings. Okay, so wait, we need to now know how many hours of um I mean Gemini wasn't wrong. I do say like hella times. See, that's interesting because it's not words that I've actually necessarily said. It's just tokens that have occurred in the transcript, but it's a proxy. Because, like, these are the music ones, presumably. Really and should show up in the same. Dude, I'm so predictable. And because in there, I say that all the time. Because there's. And the apostrophe S, that's so funny, man. We should also do the count map on. We should do the tally on. Do the tally on just the UTF-8s in the segs without join and tokenize. Okay. So interesting. Let's print the first 200. Let's see, are there anything good? I've said bro. I feel like I've said bro more than that. Sketch. I've said the word sketch. Oh has occurred 3,000 times. Has occurred. Oh yeah, that's fun. Okay, the next thing would be to diff this with actual word frequencies. Diff. Okay, yeah. Diff with, uh, or yeah, just compare with uh, word freq of humanity, I guess. To characterize how I talk. Like like and it would be cool to see an embedding space or some low dimensional representation like, oh, could you predict that I'm from California, like based on how I talk? Something weird like that. I don't know. Um Pretty sick, man. Pretty sick. Let's okay, let's see if we can add all this. We can delete this. Okay, but wait, I want to know those file names. Okay, so wait, from yeah, so short as possible one liner, extract the ID from a string in Julia. I'm down with that. FN to vid ID. Okay. This might error though, right? Hopefully not. So now wait, we have FN's 2, right? Now we just want to FN to vid ID dot FNs. Okay, now we want to take these IDs and get the duration, right? So IDs, transcript IDs. And I guess this is JSON transcripts, but that's okay. And now what we want, I can't stand these long names. TVids, transcript VIDs. And for this, we basically want to now get the duration. And so, how are we going to do this? How are we going to do this quickly? Because we don't know how to make the name of that thing. All right, well, it's okay. We're going to say M is meta. Okay. Wait, I think that's this, right? Yeah. So we don't need this. So we want, okay, so now we want to find What? I think I did it wrong though. Yeah, so it did. So why is this wrong? Oh, maybe it's because of a weird. No, one arg thing should work. Oh no, see, it goes the other way. Isn't there another? I'm almost positive there's there's the other side of it, but it's okay. Wait, um, okay, so this is going to be MFN VID. And this is going to be. We don't want the indices, and we actually want this to be to error if there's. I think you can do this, right, to prevent it from being. Um, occurs in string char. What is FNs? Did I fuck this up? Wait. Hold on. So why does this not work? It does. Okay, let's say. Wait, I just put it in backwards. Collection has multiple elements. See, that's messed up. That doesn't make any sense. Wait. First off, I'm gonna put this back in here like that. Put this here. Um. Wait. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. Let's change this to be all right, now it should be good. Wait, what? How is that possible? Yes, I see that, but also if you get the last one, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, let's copy. All right, you want to see something cool? Okay. All right, hold on. Okay, so I'm live, by the way.
Duty everywhere.
I know. I've been thinking about. I need to like spray it down and get the broom. 'Cause it's like really bad. But the problem is this time of year they just keep doing it. So it's like, should I clean it and then just have them do it again? All right, here's what's happening. So I got the transcripts of almost all my streams. It's like 150 streams or videos. And then I looked at all of the words that I say. Let's see, where is the transcript plot? Okay. So yes. Okay, so here are the top 200 words. They're not really words. They're called tokens, but nice. Good choice. A plastic bag.
They gave it to me, okay?
You gotta turn them down.
I know, but I was walking and I didn't have my car with all my bags.
It's all right.
It's okay. Grandpa recycles them. He uses them. It's fine.
That's
oh my God.
okay. So the top word that I say is actually just an artifact, but it's the new line character, and I've apparently.
You're so annoying. I knew you were gonna do that too.
Yeah, obviously I have to. That's how I was
How was I
raised.
supposed to carry it? I literally had 3 hummus things.
Oh, you had 3?
Yeah, I'm not gonna carry this all the way home walking with all my hummus.
Oh, you walked
in
there?
my bag. Or this bag. But I already had stuff.
All right, you're good.
I had produce in here, okay.
Okay, you're good. All right. Okay, so the top.
I brought you a little treat.
No, Thank you very much. Okay, so okay, just guess what you think the number one word I've said on stream is, or has occurred in my streams.
Bro.
It's not bad. It's not that. It's 2. It goes to the I this so is we. Yesterday I was trying out this AI tool that apparently you can like upload the transcripts and it'll summarize them for you and it'll like do that. Mm-hmm. And I was like, okay, summarize this one, and it says the speaker uses and filler words a lot. I was like, bro, you don't have to roast me. I said sketch like 1,000 times apparently. I said probably about 1,500 times.
Oh, yeah. You like to say probably.
Yeah. I said foreign. I don't think that's right.
Foreign.
I think that this is an artifact of the transcripts.
Does it mix words together?
What do you mean?
Oh,
yeah, that's what I mean. Is it could like just be wrong. And you know what's so funny is I saw wait, there was one thing that was really interesting. Oh yeah, here we go. So I love to say the phrase right about and stuff like that. And so they occur like in the exact same frequency next to each other. In about 2,000 times. Anyway, so I'm just working on that. Let me just commit this code and then why is there 9,000? Oh, I gotta git ignore.
Did you get more freckles?
Probably. Why?
I don't know. You just have so many forehead freckles now. You're
gonna no, they're freckles or bumps.
I don't know. No, it's like I can't tell if they're red because your
No,
skin
it's because
is,
I've just been touching it. It's not. Those aren't the freckles.
I don't know. There's like little dots everywhere. Are you irritated? Yep. I feel like it looks. I don't know. It kind of looks like freckles, but then also your skin just like a little pink, so I can't tell.
You're worrying me. I would rather not talk about that. All right,
No,
hold on.
Yeah, because you have to wear sunscreen.
Well, I've been wearing my hat.
Your hat's not on right now.
That's true, but my
the
face.
UV rays are still sprinkling.
All right, yeah, you're right. You're
The
right.
branches, and it's gonna give you skin cancer.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Well, I love thinking about that.
Look at Bud. Your skin. Come on.
I know.
Found open.
Okay, let me just do this really quickly. So add JSON transcripts and some tokenization tally or whatever distribution. No. I did just eat some eggs, but I will try this baklava. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream and we're gonna restart the stream with a new title. Today's stream was a total failure. I was trying to do, well, not a total failure, but like I was trying to do this cool thing called enzyme.
What is that?
Enzyme. So AI, when the way they do it is they you have like a bunch of data and you have a bunch of labels to it, and you construct this very complicated function that has many tunable parameters, and basically they use calculus to allow you to compute basically the answer of how wrong was the function that is supposed to approximate the map between data and labels. How wrong is it? And then that allows you to adjust the like weights of that function in a way that it will get better over time as you give it more and more data. And the process for doing that is called automatic differentiation. And it's like super cool. I mean, it's super cool, and it's the backbone of basically all AI work. It's like you need to be able to compute the derivative of a function with respect to its inputs. Anyways, there's yeah, I was doing push-ups and then I like put my knee on the ground. And anyways, so we've talked about this before, but when you write in a programming language, or most programming languages, you're writing at a higher level. You're defining functions that are doing many things at once. Not at the same time necessarily, but they're able to be, you're able to work with higher level things than specifically what the computer is going to do. Like I can just say, make a tally of all of this list of numbers and like count them up and tell me which ones occurred the most. Like that's just a single function, right? So it's a very high level idea. But as you go down, what is actually making that work is called a compiler. We talked about this. A compiler is the thing that takes the basically high level program and turns it into the low level instructions that the computer actually runs. And the most one of the two biggest compiler frameworks out there is called LLVM. Don't even remember that. But anyways, the point is, someone is building an automatic differentiation framework that's not implemented in any. Well, it is implemented in a language, but it's actually implemented to differentiate what's called the intermediate representation of the compiler. So it's at a lower level, and that means that you can now use it to target any programming language that uses LLVM as its compiler target. So Rust, Julia, C, anything that can be compiled by LLVM, you can now use to do AD with. But it's not just that you can now like branch out. It's that you can like actually get speed ups. Like there's actually a like performance reason why you might want to do automatic differentiation on the compiler intermediate representation as opposed to the language before it's been optimized. Because what the compiler mainly does is instead of just translating directly what to tell the computer what to do. It actually does all these optimizations to make the code fast. So you can write inefficient code, and the compiler is smart enough to sort of rewrite it in a faster way. There's only a limit to that, but it's pretty good. Anyway, so I was trying to get that building, and LLVM, the thing we're talking about, this compiler, to use Enzyme, the AD framework that is written at the LLVM level, you need to compile LLVM, and LLVM is an enormous project, and so I was waiting and I was doing other stuff, but it was compiling for an hour and a half, and then it failed like 75% of the way into it. I posted an issue, and I'm just like, come on, man. Like, I just want to do the thing. I don't. Anyways, I couldn't figure out why it failed. Yeah, I even posted on the issue. Let me go to my. Let's see. Also, it's crazy that GitHub just allows you to upload 300 megabytes of data. We're going to my issues, which is here. And I said, it's always nice to see finished in 5,000 seconds, build completed unsuccessfully. It's like, I just had such a good time waiting around for this thing to fail. All right, let's end the stream.